welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I'm going to be fulfilling many requests all at the same time. We're going to do another ice dance video. Today I'm going to be teaching you the third dance called the Rhythm Blues. You may have learned them out of order, and that's fine, but usually the third dance you're going to learn or test is called the Rhythm Blues. So that's where we are getting started today. This, as with all dances, is going to be something that we're going to learn and repeat the pattern. So for this particular one, our pattern takes up half the ice if you go kind of kitty corner to kitty corner. So we're going to do it twice. So you're going to learn one pattern and then you repeat it twice on the rink to get yourself all the way around. Okay, so we are going to get started with 4 introduction steps. A left, a right, and a right. Now, if I was with a partner, I can just do this side by side with my partner. So whether you're a lead or a follow, you can learn the same steps, which makes this really convenient. Everyone can learn the same steps for the Rhythm Blues. Now, before we start learning the individual steps, let's do a run through of this dance. So let's get into the actual steps of this dance. Now I am starting in one of the corners of the rink so that I can do 4 intro steps and actually have my pattern start on the other side. All right, now how far back you start is going to be somewhat dependent on how strong you are, how powerful each of your pushes are. So I am not right on that red dot, I'm a little bit in front of it, in front of the hockey dot, and I'm just going to skate straight across so that I can start my dance lined up with the red dot on the other side, so I have that axis. I hope that makes sense to you. All right, so we're going to do left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now that I'm lined up with this dot, my dance is going to begin. Okay, so you need to figure out your timing so you can take 4 steps and line up with this dot when you start your dance. Okay, so now let's actually start the dance. We are going to begin our first lobe with a progressive. So that means we're going to push onto our left outside edge, drop our right foot, slide it across, step back to that left outside edge, and put our feet together. Now I have tutorials for those progressives, for swing rolls, for chassés, all of that, and I'll post a link so you can learn those individual steps. But the first one, the first lobe, bringing us back to our axis, is going to be a progressive. Our second lobe is going to be a swing roll. So now with my feet together, I'm going to push onto my right forward outside edge. I'm going to push, get nice and low on my knee, and then rise up and point my toe towards where I'm going. Okay, so again, I'm getting down into my right forward outside edge, swinging my feet right past each other and pointing my toe towards where I'm going. So we have a progressive and a swing roll. Now we're moving on to our third lobe, which is, I think, the most fun part of the Rhythm Blues. It has a little double knee bend. Let's do all 3 of those lobes together and then I'll break it down for you. So again, we have progressive, swing roll, and then we're going to go push, double knee bend, progressive, inside edge. Ooh, that's so much fun. Let's go over that lobe all by itself. Left outside edge, double knee bend. While you're down, you're going to do your progressive and then stay there. Then at the very last minute, we can put our feet together and we're going to do an inside swing roll. So we're stepping onto our left forward inside edge and bringing our right foot through. Then we're going to do it again. Step onto that right forward inside edge, bring that left foot through. So that is our side pattern. Let's do it all together. All right, the whole side pattern all together. Progressive. Feet together, swing roll. Feet together, double knee bend, progressive, and step. Inside swing, inside swing. So let's add on the end pattern now. We just finished that right forward outside, inside edge swing roll. We are going to come around the corner with another progressive, and this is going to be really fun. We're going to step onto the left, bend the knees a little bit, tuck the right behind, tuck the left behind, tuck the right behind, right behind, left behind, right behind. You want to get your ankles as snug together as you can. Okay, now that is the entire rhythm blues dance. So we're going to do the whole thing all together, and then I will show you how it goes with some music. All right, from the top with those intro steps, we have left, right, left, right. Progressive, feet together, swing, roll, point that toe, feet together, double knee bend, progressive, inside edge. Left swing, roll, right inside swing, roll, progressive, and 1, 2, 3. There we go. There's the rhythm blues. Now we're going to repeat it. So once you finish, you just go right back into the same pattern. You hit that progressive around this next side, and you can just keep going as long as you want, back and forth with the same pattern over and over and over again. Next, let's do it with some music. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed learning that rhythm blues dance. It is really a cool, smooth dance and gives you some extra challenges with those double knee bends. So enjoy getting out on the ice and doing some ice dancing. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I'm looking forward to reading all your comments in that section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.